By 2050, the Earth is likely to be home to 9 billion people, so the global demand for energy is set to grow. In 30 years, perhaps 50% more energy will be needed. And even though that energy is vital to human progress, producing it puts enormous pressure on environments, societies, and economies around the world. Natural gas, which is the cleanest burning fossil fuel, has an important role to play in this future. There's more than 250 years global supply. Roughly half of it is unconventional, consisting of tight gas, shale gas, or coal bed methane. The unconventional gas boom of North America may soon become a global phenomenon. Latin America, Eastern Europe, South Africa, Australia, and China, like here in Sichuan, all hold significant unconventional gas deposits. In such deposits, the gas is trapped in small pores of rock in extensive underground layers. A traditional approach to produce the gas would require hundreds or even thousands of wells to be drilled over a large area. It would be costly, and it would also involve a prolonged period of heavy goods traffic. That would impose a considerable burden on both local residents and the local environment. Experience gained in North America and new technology, however, enable us to lighten that burden and increase the cost efficiency of a drilling campaign. This new technology lies at the heart of a novel well manufacturing concept that Shell and China National Petroleum Corporation are developing through their Sirius Well Manufacturing Services joint venture. The concept is based on the latest drilling rig automation and a limited number of access locations, the so-called well pads. A well pad is only a little bigger than a football field, yet some 30 to 50 wells can be drilled from the site. The wells are diverted underground to reach their targets. On the ground, land use and environmental disturbances are reduced. 10 to 15 well pads can be prepared in one go with one central supply base. Drilling operations can be managed from a single control center thanks to remote control and optimization technologies developed by Shell. Such a well manufacturing system will be tailored to an individual field development project. The local topography and geology, as well as the selected well design, will all be taken into consideration. The system will be standardized for an optimized performance in terms of both economics and environmental footprint. Some developments, as is planned for Sichuan, for example, will use rigs on skids that can be shifted from wellhead to wellhead on a pad, and also truck-mounted rigs that are tailored to specific tasks and move from well site to perform their job. A common feature of well manufacturing is the performance of standard tasks in several wells in a row, all done in the same manner with specialized equipment. A unit might do nothing other than drill the top part of wells, for example. This approach avoids having to change a rig's drilling or completion equipment for every single well, saving time and reducing the number of supply deliveries. It also allows several wells at once to be at different stages of drilling. This too helps to shorten the overall per well delivery time and to reduce the unit well cost significantly. The high degree of rig automation maintains a consistently high performance while reducing the exposure of drilling crews to hazards. The control center, in turn, enables continual learning and improvements to be disseminated quickly. Delivering a large number of wells much faster will allow land to be restored sooner, diminishing the impact on people, plants, and animals in the area. And of course, it will bring greater benefits for those who need and who produce energy. The well manufacturing system is a concept that can deliver value from the world's unconventional gas resources while meeting the specific requirements of individual field development projects. With innovative technology and concepts, Shell is set to deliver safer, smarter, and simpler wells. It's innovation that makes the difference.